Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today for the first ever Puppets and Patrons. I'm Kelly Yuckerman, anchor and reporter at KMBC TV, and one of your MCs for this fun day, celebrating and supporting the important work of St. Luke's Hospital of Kansas City, the Children's Spot. We have lots of fun in store, and as you know, it's all for a great cause. First, though, I'd like to introduce my very special co-MC. You know, in my line of work, photographers are so important because they go where the action is, and they tell the stories through their pictures and videos. That's exactly what Felicia Flash does as a wildlife photographer. So please join me in giving her a warm welcome. Hi, Felicia.
Oh, hi, Kelly. Felicia Flash, wildlife photographer here. It's so good to see you and be here with all of you. I love traveling and learning about our amazing world with my assistant, Karma. Burr, burr, burr. She's an elephant. That means I don't have to pack any trunks when we head out for our grand adventures. Burr, 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 burr. Oh, our expeditions take us to so many wonderful places to see all kinds of animals, from leopards and lions to dolphins and turtles, and their habitats. But my favorite trips are when we get to talk to the humans. People have some of the most exciting adventures of all. And one of the very best places on the map is Kansas City and the Children's Spot. Oh, the Spot helps hundreds of kids every year reach for new heights and accomplish big and small victories that make a difference today and, just as importantly, in the future. Oh, you should see the kids' faces light up when they see their therapist or when they achieve a new goal. I wish I could take a picture of that every time. Oh, I'm so excited to be here with you today to help tell the Spot story. And so all of us can help them keep doing the important work they do to help children reach their fullest potential. Kelly's going to tell us more about that.
I sure am. Thank you, Felicia. We're going to meet some of Felicia's friends in just a little bit. And I know the children are excited for Who's in Rabbit's House, a presentation from Stone Lion Puppet Theater. But first, we do want to thank everyone who made today possible. It's because of people like you who believe so much in what the Spot does that its programs are able to help hundreds of children each year with speech, occupational, and physical therapy. And a special thank you to the committee that brought Puppets and Patrons together and made this such a fun day for kids and kids at heart. This is really for all of us. This is the Spot's largest fundraiser every year, and we're proud that you didn't let a pandemic stop you from creating an outstanding virtual experience for the whole family. Also, a heartfelt thank you to each of our sponsors for your steadfast support and generosity. Your support has helped the Spot serve our community now for more than 40 years. Today, we want to shine a very special light on two of our longtime supporters, Tom and Star Wagstaff. The Wagstaffs deeply believe in the impact of the Spot's programs. Through their generosity, they're providing invaluable opportunities for the Spot to help even more families. Tom and Star Wagstaff truly define what it means to be the Spot's guardian angels. And to all of our attendees today, thank you for your support. There are several ways to support the Children's Spot today and beyond. Your generosity can help babies in the neonatal intensive care unit at St. Luke's Hospital of Kansas City thrive in even more ways. Equip the speech, occupational, and physical therapists with even more technology and more programs to continue providing the latest and most effective therapies, and it can do so much more. First, our silent auction is underway. That goes through March 3rd. You'll be able to bid on all sorts of fun items, including restaurant gift cards, virtual Broadway experiences, chef-prepared meals, and in-home private dining experiences. See your program for the instructions and the items to bid on. And to help with ongoing needs at the Spot, donate through our Fund a Need option. Now, your program, of course, arrived with your Spot box, and we hope you have yours with you right now, and maybe you've already checked it out to see what's inside. There are treats there for the whole family, a little something extra for the adults. It's all part of today's fun. You have bags of velvet cream popcorn, hot cocoa bombs, and even more. This is supposed to be an extra cozy afternoon, and that should help. And Felicia's going to tell us more about the most magical parts of that box. Felicia?
The puppets! Watching puppet shows is so much fun. And being a puppet is pretty amazing too. I get to see so many fun things and go wherever imagination takes me. But you know what's the most fun of all? Making puppets and creating your own puppet shows. Your Spot Box has everything you need to make your own puppets, and then you get to create their special stories. Maybe there'll be a wildlife photographer like me, or a news anchor like Kelly. Oh, or a superhero like the amazing therapists and kids at the Spot. With a little imagination and creativity, you can make anything you dream up. If you've already made your puppet, or if you're going to make yours today, I know each one of them will be picture perfect. And we hope you'll share it with us on social media by tagging Puppets and Patrons 2021 and the Children's Spot. There's nothing better than having fun knowing it's also going to be doing so much good.
That's exactly right, Felicia. The Spot's therapists are changing families by helping children build skills they'll use throughout their lives. And these families so often become part of the Spot family for life. We see that all the time. When we talk about donations, which is why we're all here today, we're talking about enriching childhoods and helping to build skills that will benefit these children later in life. And the goal is to make these services available regardless of a family's circumstances, so the scholarships are essential. The events of the past year have had an impact on everyone, including the families and the staff at the Spot. But you know, even when much of the community closed down last spring, those therapists were reaching out to families. They were still staying in touch with the children and providing resources for them to work on at home to continue making progress. And then, with safety measures in place to help families and staff both be safe and feel safe, they reopened for in-person services just as soon as they could. Because you know, all along there were two things that never changed: the need for the services the Spot offers and the spirit of the staff at the Spot. We'd like to take you inside the work the Children's Spot is doing and introduce you to a few of the families who have experienced the positive impact firsthand.
I think of the progress that she's made in the last 2 years, and it's really remarkable.
Going to kindergarten and being like a successful kindergartner, and being able to go to school and just be with her peers in a normal setting. Like, she still has so far to go, but I don't know, she's come so far.
Samantha is our oldest child. She is a really vivacious personality, but she's always been a little bit cautious and a little bit reserved. Samantha was born with a genetic condition called thumb hypoplasia, where she was missing tendons in one of her thumbs. We had surgery to recorrect the issue when she was about 18 months old, but the surgery itself was not enough to fix the problem because she had missed out on so much of that crucial development.
Audie is our little mystery child. She's our little puzzle. We found out when she was a year old that she had a rare chromosome diagnosis. There's only about 100 cases in the world. She didn't talk. She would make sounds and she would sign with us, and she would communicate her needs, but not verbally. She gets dizzy and just really clumsy and off balance.
When we would go for play dates and things, she wouldn't necessarily be as clear or as easy to understand as other kids her age. And so I talked to some of her teachers about it, and they said, we think it's worth getting an evaluation and an assessment around her language and her speech. So we were able to do that through Pembroke Hill and meet with therapists here at the Spot who did a full evaluation of her, not only her speech skills, but also her fine motor skills and her gross motor skills.
There was a spot in the preschool program, and so we were able to get Audie in and start services.
Audie was a delight for me to work with.
We'd encourage her to swing on the equipment that was closer to the ground. She began to kind of initiate that on her own, and she gravitated to things that she knew would be helpful for her body to help organize.
I've seen her ability to really enjoy life and communicate and interact and play with other children when she could not have done anything like that when she started here.
When we first met Samantha, she was very timid, very unsure of herself, And now she goes, she finds her experiences, and she gets after everything from fine motor skills to speech and interaction with friends. It's been amazing to watch her progress.
I've been with the Children's Spot almost 34 years. I have been working here as a speech pathologist for all of those years, but in March of this year, I took on a management role. So I just started that at the time that the community was starting to shut down and began learning that new role in a very different kind of environment. What we did was to stay connected with those families.
The therapists were fantastic. They reached out to me right away with ideas of things that we could do at home so that we would be able to continue her progress, and they gave us weekly ideas. They sent videos, encouraging Samantha so that she knew that they were still around and involved. And then as soon as things opened back up, even before school opened, we were able to get back into the spot in a way that we felt completely safe. Samantha was masked, her therapists were masked, there were daily temperature checks.
Audie came once a week, and she was still getting speech and OT. And just so many precautions put into place, we felt really safe.
She really didn't miss a beat. She did not regress. She was so proud of the progress she'd made on her own, but still being able to come back and have that face-to-face connection with a therapist was really wonderful.
We were actually pushed along this year with the help of all of you out there that support us. And for a family, when we can offer scholarship, that's an amazing thing for them, not only to have at that very moment, but 20 years down the line.
They were so dedicated and, helped us out and gave us a scholarship so that Audie could be here. And so we just thank you, personally, to all those donors, that have given and still give. It's incredible, and you are changing lives.
Her writing and her ability to hold a pencil or a crayon is so improved, and she loves to write. So one of her cousins' names is Nora, and she was able to write Nora, N-O-R-A, on a piece of paper that she had drawn a picture of, and we sent it in the mail. My in-laws were so impressed that that was actually her handwriting, and that we had moved past Mommy having to write it and then her trace it, or me writing the dots and her tracing it.
I remember one day, we were downstairs, and all of a sudden we heard something, and we're like, what is happening? And she got Google to play We Will Rock You, the Queen song.
For the longest time, she couldn't activate Google because you have to say, hey Google, or okay Google. And then finally, that was the moment where we were downstairs and she got it to activate. And
it was such a proud, speech moment. Oh my gosh, you got it, And then she played We Will Rock You. We were like, okay, well.
We Will Rock You, I think, was the top.
I think it was the number one played song on your playlist.
The Children's Spot is really a unique place, and I think the value of what is done here, you can't put a value on it. The confidence that it inspires in kids is incredible. It goes beyond learning specific skills and beyond academics. Everybody who's here, from the person who welcomes you when you first walk in the door to the therapists who work one-on-one with your kids, everyone wants to see that best version of your child, and that's really special as a parent because that's what you want to.
These children are just a reflection of what our life's work is. They just reflect everything that I want to do in my life and what I think our staff members want to do in their lives.
As you just saw, the Spot is genuinely making a difference. And for the team, this is more than work. It's a calling. In addition to the deeply beneficial therapies the Spot provides, coming to the Spot has also been a rare social outing during the past year for many of these children, giving them a chance to interact in a positive and nurturing way with people outside their immediate bubble. Your support through the silent auction and Fund in Need can help support these experiences and the important work the therapists are doing every day. Please take a minute, place your bid, or make your donation. Again, the instructions are in your program and they're on your screen. As you've seen today, children truly are at the heart of everything that happens at the Spot. And to recognize that, we want to make this day all about the kids. And so Felicia's here now to introduce the moment we've all been waiting for, Felicia.
Kelly, wow, the Spot is making so many things happen. Talk about grand adventures. I hope all of you are ready for another adventure. I am so excited to introduce you to some of my best friends from Stone Lion Puppet Theater. You know, as I travel the world taking pictures, I'm part of this bigger group that is working and playing hard to share what we can all do to make the planet healthier and make our community a better place to live. So let's see what my great friends are up to today. Welcome to a special presentation of Who's in Rabbit's House?
La. Oh, hello, everybody. I wasn't expecting any company today. Oh, isn't it such a beautiful day? The sun is shining, and I can see all the way across the African plain. Over there are the crystal clear waters of Crystal Lake, and this is my house. Sorry. I'm really glad you stopped by, but it's kind of my nap time. I'm just going to pop into my house and take my nap now. Hey, if you're still here when I'm back, maybe we can hang out, okay? Okay. Oh, ow. Did you just see that? I must be more tired than I thought. I just ran right into my door instead of going through my door. Silly me. Let's just try that again. Wow. I can't seem to open the door. It must be stuck or something. I've never known my door to stick like this. It's almost as if it were locked. But my door can only be locked from the inside, and while I'm not inside, I'm out here with you, so it can't be locked, can it? Let's try that again. Wow, it really won't open. What could be wrong? You don't think there really is something in my house, do you? Who could be in my house? Is it you? Are you in my house? No, silly me. You're out here with me. But do you think there really is somebody in my house? Well, we're gonna have to find out. Knock, knock, knock. Who is in my house? I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you. There really is something in my house, and it eats elephants and it You stay right there. I'm gonna go back and figure out just what it was it said. Excuse me? But who is in my house? I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you. Yep, that's what it said. Oh my. I thought I knew all of the animals on the African plain, but I've never known of anything that could eat an entire tree and trample an elephant. Oh, it must be really big and scary. What am I going to do? How am I going to get in my house? A rabbit. Maybe I can help. What? Who said that? A rabbit. Maybe I can help. What? Oh, was that you, Frog? Maybe I can help. Oh, Froggy, that is very sweet, but I think you're a little small. Thank you for the offer, but I've probably got things under control. A rabbit. Fine. Ribbit. Okay. So I just need to figure out how I'm gonna get in my house. Yeah. Jackal! Oh, Jackal, you are much bigger than I am. Maybe you can help me get in my house.
Okay.
Jackal, there is something in there, and I don't know what it is, and it won't let me inside to take my nap. Can you please help me figure it out?
Okay. Like, who's in Rabbit's house?
I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you.
Okay.
No, Jackal! Jackal, get back here! You're supposed to help!
Okay.
Jackal, I just know if we put our heads together, we can figure this out.
Okay. I got it. Follow me, Rabbit.
Oh, this is great. Jackal has a plan. Oh, Jackal! Jackal, wait for me! Jackal, what's your plan?
Oh, it's easy. We're going to grab some sticks, and we're going to take those sticks, and we're going to pile them right in front of your door like this. Ha! One stick. Yeah. Ha! Two sticks. Yeah.
Oh, Jackal, I found this really, really big stick. It is so big, and it is super, super heavy. Okay, gotta get it right in front in the pile. Whoa! Okay. Oh, stay. Got it. Yeah. I don't think I understand this plan. Jackal, it just seems like we blocked my door. So, what exactly are we doing with these sticks to get out whatever's inside my house?
Easy, yeah. We're gonna light the sticks on fire.
What? No, Jackal, that'll burn my house down.
And it'll burn out whatever's inside.
No, Jackal, that's a terrible plan. Go away.
Okay.
And now I have this big pile of sticks in front of my door. Well, gotta just get them. Okay, whoa! Oh, these are heavy. Oh no! Ah! Ow.
Oh, this looks like a nice, quiet spot for my kitty cat nap.
Can you believe Jackal was gonna burn just wanted to burn my house down and light it on fire, and that was just a terrible idea.
Rabbit, why are you making so much noise?
Oh, Leopard, I'm sorry, I didn't see you there. Oh, Leopard, maybe you could help. Oh, I just want to get in my house, Leopard. Can you help me figure out who's in my house and won't let me in?
Will it get you to be quiet?
Yes.
Oh, fine. Who's in Rabbit's house?
I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you.
Rabbit, I'll help you. I'll get out this strange visitor. If I have to rip your house to shreds, I'll get it out. Yes, I will.
No, Leopard! Leopard, stop! You're destroying my house! Come down at once! Please?
I was only trying to help. Fine, I'll just go take my kitty cat nap elsewhere. My house! Okay. Okay, it's not too bad. Just a few scratches, not so terrible. The roof! Oh no! The roof. Is it so? Oh. Okay, there's lots of scratches, but it's nothing through. I'm definitely not getting inside my house up here. Oh,
hello, tree. Hello, sky. Hello, rabbit's house with rabbit on high. Oh, I say, rabbit, what are you doing up there on your roof?
Oh, Elephant, I was trying to repair the damage that Leopard did up here.
What was Leopard doing up on your roof? I say, was Leopard trying to play Santa Claus? Get it? Claus.
No, Leopard was trying to get out whatever's inside my house. I just have no idea what it is, and it's a mystery. And
I say, I do enjoy a good mystery. May I help? I say, who's in Rabbit's house?
I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you.
I say, trample on me. Trample on me? Well, I'll trample on you. I'll trample you flat. Flat as a hat in a mat. I'll trample on you. House and all.
No, not my house.
Oh, I say, Rabbit, what are you doing? You could have been hurt.
I don't want you to trample my house. I like my house.
Well, I say the next time you ask for help, I'm just going to tell you to go jump in a lake. I will. Oh, I say. Oh.
I just want to take a nap.
Oh, Rabbit, is that you?
Rhino? Oh, Rhino! Rhino, you are one of my biggest friends. Maybe you could help? There's something in my house and I don't know what it is, and I just wanted to let me in.
Okay. Who's in Rabbit's house?
I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you.
I'll get out this strange visitor. I'll hook it with my horn and hoist it into the lake.
No!
Splash! And that takes care of the long one.
Ribbit. Silly Rhino. That was Rabbit you tossed into the lake, not Rabbit's house.
Uh-oh.
Help! I can't swim! Help! I can't swim!
I say, Rabbit, I heard Rabbit, but I don't see Rabbit. Where's Rabbit?
Rhino tossed Rabbit into the lake.
Oh no, Rabbit can't swim. Hold on, little guy, I gotcha.
Can't swim! Help!
Grab onto my trunk, Rabbit, grab on. Oh, there you go, I gotcha, little guy. Oh, there. I say, Rabbit, the next time someone tells you to go jump in a lake, you might want to learn how to swim first. Oh, I say, silly Rabbit. I just want to take a nap.
Ribbit, maybe I can help.
Who said that?
Ribbit, maybe I can help.
But Frog, you're still here?
Ribbit, maybe I can help.
Oh, Froggy, thank you for the offer, but I just don't see, with you being so small, I don't know what you could do that my bigger animal friends haven't already tried. I mean, Jackal wanted to burn my house down, and Leopard was gonna rip it to shreds, and
Elephant wanted to stomp it to pieces, and Rhino tossed me in a lake.
Ribbit, I can scare it out.
What?
Yes, Ribbit, I'm just gonna grab a leaf and roll it into a horn like this, and who's in Rabbit's house? I am the long one. I eat trees and trample on elephants. Go away, or I will trample on you. I am the spitting cobra. Leave this house at once, or I will slither under the door and spit in your eye.
Don't send in the cobra! Don't send in the cobra! I didn't mean anything! Don't send in the cobra! It was just a silly prank! Don't send in the cobra! Caterpillar? It was you? Of course!
Caterpillars eat the leaves off of trees, and you're so small you could walk or trample all over Elephant and he wouldn't even notice.
I can't believe all of this trouble has been caused by an itty-bitty caterpillar, and it was solved by a small frog?
Ribbit, silly rabbit, size doesn't matter. You have to use your brain. Even the tiniest among us can get the right answer, if you give us a chance. Ribbit.
Okay. Wow, that was a pretty good prank, Caterpillar. But I am way overdue for my nap, so I'm just gonna go take my nap now. Oh. I don't see a cobra. No cobra. No cobra. Okay, no cobra.
The end.
That was an awesome adventure, wasn't it? I'm so glad we all got to spend this afternoon together. Remember to take a picture of your puppet and share it on your social media pages and tag #PuppetsAndPatrons2021 and #TheChildrenSpot. I can't wait to see the pictures. Thank you for all you do to make the Spot a warm, welcoming, and caring environment. It definitely makes our world a better place. And so do you.
That's right, Felicia. Thank you for everything. It was just a delight to spend the afternoon with you. I hope we get to work together again. Maybe you can be my photographer out in the field. How about that?
Oh.
I would love it. We hope each of you had fun too. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you for all you do to make sure the Children's Spot is equipped with the tools and the resources it needs to continue serving thousands of families in our community. Remember, you can bid on the silent auction items until March 3rd, and of course, enter your fund and need donations as well. Remember, you're changing lives for the better, and your gift today makes a lasting impact. Stay healthy, stay safe, and be sure to post your puppet pictures, like Felicia said, and tag Puppets and Patrons 2021 and the Children's Spot. We'll see you next time.